Let's talk about how to convert your BNB smart chain into BNB BNB. All right. If you check your trust wallet, you see that there are two BNB actually there. You have the smart chain and then you have the normal BNB that is actually on ERC, that is on Ethereum network. All right. But one thing that uh, we keep wondering is, how do I get that? Because even on Binance itself, you cannot have the BNB ERC right now as I make this video. All right. So even when because normally how you get this whole thing converted is, let's say when you are withdrawing from Binance, you choose the network you want it to be on, but that option is not there. When you withdraw from Binance, what you say is BEP2 and BEP20. All right, and you don't want that. You want the ERC version of the BNB. All right, I'm going to show you how you can do that on Trust Wallet right now. So what you have to do for me right now is just like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Enable that notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see. And then comment your thought. All right, even if you don't have anything to comment, just comment nice. All right, just be nice. All right. So let's dive right into the video right now and see how it goes. All right, so let's go to our Binance right now. Normally, when you go to Binance this way, and then you click on wallet, and then you attempt withdrawing, and then you tap on the BNB coin, and then you paste in your address right here. Come on, paste. All right. So here, this is what it showed you. All right, you see BEP2 and BEP20 only. All right, you don't get to see the ERC version of the BNB or the smart chain, and then the US Binance version of it. So now it makes it you can't get it anywhere. Like it makes it difficult for you to get it from any other place. All right, so let me assume I just go in here and then copy let's say the BNB address. Let me copy the BNB address. Let's see. Click on BNB, paste in, long tap and paste it in. All right, this is what it gives to you, BEP2. All right, and it needs memo. All right, so you don't want that. All right, now this is what you need to do. Now let's say you have BNB on your Binance, Now go to your Binance and then withdraw that BNB on your Binance as smart chain, into your Trust wallet. When you have done that, when you have withdrawn your BNB into your Trust wallet as smart chain, then you come to your Trust wallet. Now you can see it exists as BNB coin. That means it's on ERC address. All right, so now what you need to do to convert it to get this ERC BNB from this smart chain is, you go to the dApps section of your Trust wallet. Sorry, the DEX section. We have dApps right here, and then we have DEX before setting. Now click on DEX section. Now on this DEX section, you might see, I don't know, yours might be displaying another coin altogether. All right, so what you're actually doing right here is you're converting your smart chain BNB to normal BNB. Now you could enter the amount you want to convert right here, 0.001, or you enter 175%, you enter 100%. Once you hit swap, the conversion has been carried out. So that's just a simple way to convert your smart chain to BNB coin. So did you learn something from this video? If you learned something, please do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and then see you in my next video. So please comment. Thank you.